Apple will release not one, but two iPhone SE 2 at once. Over the past few years, the range of Apple-branded smartphones has grown as fast as it has never grown before. Despite the fact that the company decided to remove the conditionally available iPhone SE from the range, having stopped its production, today there is still plenty to choose from. Here you have the super affordable iPhone SE XS, which can be found at a price just a little higher, and the mega profitable iPhone XR, which generally seems like a real gift, and the ultra-expensive iPhone 11 Pro Max, which in the top-end configuration costs almost as much as folding Galaxy Fold. But Apple is not enough. This year, Apple will release not one second-generation iPhone SE, but two as many, DG Times reports citing sources in the supply chain. It is not necessary that the new products will be called that way, however, the fact that they will be released in pairs is a fact. Both devices will come in different sizes, classic 4.7 inches and an enlarged 5.5 or 6.1 inches. It turns out that by the dimensions of the device they will fully comply with the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, the appearance of which, according to rumors, the devices will copy,